Imagine this. You've spent weeks planning the perfect product launch, marketing campaign, or business move. You're ready, excited, confident. Then, boom, your launch flops. Your ad campaign burns cash with no results. Your perfect strategy crumbles in real time. Now what? Most people panic, freeze, or give up. But the smartest business owners, they adapt, pivot, and still win. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI powered multiple pathways to success blueprint. So, no matter what happens, you'll always have a way to win. By the end of this experiment, you'll have a bulletproof backup strategy if Plan A fails, at least 3 new ways to reach your goal, and the confidence to know that nothing can stop you. I'm Jack Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy, and welcome to lab experiment number 20, the multiple pathways protocol, or your business plan just exploded. Now what? The instructions for this experiment are in the description for this video. Now, here's why this matters. The business graveyard is filled with perfect plans that never worked, and markets shift. Customers change. Ads stop working. If you don't adapt, you die. Success isn't about avoiding failure. Success is about navigating around it. And AI can expose success paths and protocols you'd never think of on your own. So here's the lab equipment, the tools you need. First off, ChatGPT, and we're going to use version 4.5, the newest version, and see how that works. You'll also need a notepad or digital document to capture your alternate success pathways. And finally, you'll need your current business goal. What are you trying to achieve? Estimated time for this experiment is about 15 minutes. All right, so it's time to dive in. All right, let's go through the experiment step by step. Step 1 is to define your goal and plan A. So, what is your big goal right now? And what's your primary plan to get there? Well, we have a prompt for you to use. My goal is to describe your goal. Right now, my main plan to achieve it is describe your current strategy. But I want to be prepared in case this plan doesn't work. Give me 3 alternative strategies to achieve the same goal, each one completely different from my original plan. So the prompt's in the instructions. I'm going to copy the prompt. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And again, this is version 4.5. I'm going to paste it in. And give her the quotes. What the heck? All right. My goal is I'm going to relaunch my book, The Killer Copy Playbook. Right now, my main plan to achieve it is buy ads on YouTube to promote it, as well as some ads on Amazon. But I want to be prepared in case this plan doesn't work. Give me 3 alternative strategies to achieve the same goal, each one completely different from my original plan. Let's see what we get. So here are 3 completely different strategies. Strategy 1 is strategic JV partnerships with influencers. So I basically have to identify 5 to 10 influential marketers, offer a training or webinar around core principles, arrange affiliate commissions, provide done-for-you swipe copy. That's a really good thing to always provide if you're doing affiliate stuff. Strategy 2 is the free plus shipping funnel. So I want to create a free plus shipping offer, possibly a free book offer, irresistible landing page, charge-only shipping, and build a back end around it. Okay. Authority Blitz PR and podcast tour. Position myself as an authority by consistently appearing on podcasts, blogs, newsletters, etc. Got to pitch myself to marketing and entrepreneurship podcasts, organize a focused PR outreach, da 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 da. Okay, not bad. Each one can be implemented individually or combined strategically. All right. So we'll try though. That's a good thing to try. Let's look at the next step. So identify the best backup plan. So look at those three strategies that I gave you. Which one excites you? Which one makes you a little nervous? Then take this follow-up prompt for chosen alternative strategy. Break it down step by step. Tell me exactly what I would need to do to execute this plan successfully. So we're going to take that prompt, copy it, go back to ChatGPT, insert it. So now I got to put in which is my favorite. Of these, I like the podcast. We're going to do the podcast. So I'm going to say that's my favorite one for podcast on authority blitz tour there. Break it down step by step. Tell me exactly what I need to do to execute this successfully. Give me some answers. And so here's a step-by-step action plan. So step one, define my core message and unique hook. So pick one theme from the Killer Copy Playbook that I emphasize repeatedly. All right, that's good. Craft my key talking points. Develop a media kit, always a good idea, with a short bio, a professional headshot, key talking points, testimonials. Build my initial outreach list. Identify these 15 to 20 podcasts. All right. Target authoritative sites like Copyblogger, etc. Pitch myself as a podcast guest. It even offers some articles. Oh, well, it gives me a pitch. Not bad. I recently relaunched my book, focused on classic direct response principles. Here's what I be happy to discuss. Point one, point two, my styles. Conversational, engaging, and actionable. I promise your listeners will walk away with real value. All right. Schedule and execute interviews. Oh, there's some use a calendar or something, prepare thoroughly. Write, submit high quality guest articles. Well, that hey, quality doesn't hurt. Amplify my appearances through my own channels. So I want to, announce interviews, provide snippets and shareable highlights, follow up, leverage the relationships. This is a key point, actually. Once you build relationships, you make sure you use them. And, it's give and take, help people out, measure results and adjust. That's a key marketing principle. All right. Not bad right there. So let's see what step 3 is. Step 3, pre-build your escape routes. Now let's take this insight, make it real, use this final prompt. Final prompt is, if I had to switch to this backup plan tomorrow, what are the first 3 actions I need to take today to make sure it works? So we're going to take that prompt from the instructions, go to ChatGPT, paste it in, see what we get. Clearly define my pitch and hook. Step number 1, clearly define my pitch and hook, draft a short, compelling message, and gives me a reason why. Oh, it gives me an example. Perfect. I love to have a good example. And examples are great things you want to give ChatGPT so you get better results. Action 2, quickly identify your first 10 podcast targets. Prioritize the ones where you already have some familiarity or connections for fast and easy bookings. Step 3, prepare your instant media kit. I like this. Google Doc, short Google Doc or PDF, short author bio, 1 paragraph summary of my book, my best headshot, a few compelling bullet points. Hey, this is good. If you do nothing else today, do a clear pitch, unique hook, 10 podcast, simple media kit. All right. For the lab report, what did we learn? Well, AI just gave multiple ways to reach your goal. no matter what happens. So let me ask you, what if you ran this experiment on every big decision you made? What if you always had a plan B, C, and even D ready to go? What if you ever never felt stuck again? Think about that, because that's what today's experiment just unlocked for you. Every goal has more than one pathway to success. The ability to pivot is a massive competitive advantage. AI can generate alternate routes you've never considered. Now, remember, most people fail when their plan fails. However, no matter what happens, you'll always be in the game because now you just became unstoppable. So now it's your turn. Run this experiment right now and tell me, what was your original plan? What new success pathways did AI uncover? How will this change the way you approach your goals? So, back Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy. And until next time, innovate, automate, dominate.